Hi 365 Ninja fans! Today's video is going to show how to make comments, review comments, and track changes in PowerPoint. So when you have your PowerPoint presentation open and you want to start making comments, all you need to do is go to the Insert tab and select Comment. From here, the sidebar will appear and you can start making your comments. Each of the comments are slotted on each slide. So for instance, if I made a comment right here, it would be stored on slide 1. Let's say I want to make another comment on here. And now I can actually toggle through my comments and jump between slides. So now let's say we want to review comments. So I've sent this presentation over to my coworker who's given me some feedback, and I've just reopened the PowerPoint document. Now I want to review the comments she's made. So there's a few ways I can access the comments. I can go to Review tab and select Show Comments. I can also select this button down here. And you'll see that the sidebar appears here. So I've gotten some feedback from my coworker, and I'm going to go look through the comments she made on the presentation. As you can see, there's no comments on the first slide, but it does mention that there are other comments on other slides. So I'll use these two buttons up here to toggle between the slides with comments on them. So what's really great about this is that my coworker's name is tracked on here. So a PowerPoint presentation can be shared among multiple people, and if there's multiple people making comments on it, it'll have their name next to it so I know who's suggesting what. Looks like there's another comment on slide 12, and that'll conclude the comments my coworker made. So now that we've shared how to make comments and review comments, now we're going to review how to track changes. So tracking changes works a little differently in PowerPoint than you may be used to in other Microsoft programs. In PowerPoint, it's called Compare, and it's located on the Review tab. So let's click Review, and we're going to select this button here called Compare. Now, this is one version of the PowerPoint presentation I've been working on, but there's a second version that my coworker just sent over to me, and I'm going to open it now and click Compare. So when you click Compare, you're prompted to open up another PowerPoint. So I've been working on the first presentation, but my coworker sent me this number 2 version. I'm going to select this, because this is the PowerPoint presentation I want to compare my first one to. So PowerPoint is right now reading through both of these presentations and comparing what's different in each. So I'll start at the first slide and see what kind of changes have been made. So on the right-hand bar over here, you'll see that the revisions are listed between slide changes or presentation changes. I can go through each of the changes and select them, and it'll highlight what's been changed. So it looks like the number 10 was inserted to replace the word 10. If I want to accept changes, all I need to do is click the checkbox here and it'll adjust. But make sure to click this one too so we don't have 1010. All right, so now we've accepted those changes and we'll go to the next. So now let's check to see if there's any other changes made to the PowerPoint. Looks like slide 6 has some changes. I'll select these over here to see what changed. Looks like the size and position changed. All right, I will accept. And then rectangle, I think I'm going to keep my original post, so I'm not going to click the checkbox here. I'm going to keep the slide as it is. So now we'll see we have the option here that says Presentation Changes. This means that a slide itself has been altered, deleted, or moved around in order. I'll click slide 8, and over here I'm prompted with a message that slide 8 has been deleted. So this video should wrap up how to make comments, how to review comments, and then how to track changes and compare between PowerPoint presentations that you're editing. I hope you found these tips helpful. For more tips and tricks like this, visit 365ninja.com.